yesterday, I texted the governor because I received a lot of letters from different DepEd DepEd schools, no? Na magiging venue ng palarong pambansa, no? Kasi magbibilit, tapos doon doon yung iba, may events pa yata doon, no? At saka hindi ko alam, yung ibang program, no? So, I texted the governor, sabi ko sa kanya, Gov, dapat yata dun sa planning nung palarong pambansa kasama si INEC. Kasi para okay naman sa akin yung mga request, no? Yung mga transformer, kung kulang, papahiram ko yun. Walang problema yun, no? Yung iba lang, kailangan talaga i-procure. So, kailangan yun, ayusin yun. But, so what the governor did immediately, INEC was included in the group of planning of palarong pambansa. And napag-utusan po tayo with PEO na ikutan nga lahat ng ating magiging venues para make sure lang tayo na pagdating ng palarong pambansa, hindi po issue yung kuryente, no? So, I just want to announce that, no? Alam ko busy si governor dyan sa sports, no? Kasi talaga naman big event yung palarong pambansa. So we all should really hold hands and help each other there so that pangalan ng Ilocos Norte yan. So INEC will, I assure the governor, INEC will be supportive of that event. And whatever we can do to help, we will do that.